Okay, so we're back with part two of our home climbing wall series. If you haven't checked out part one, you might want to check out that first so you kind of know where we're at. Anyhow, this is the space that I have to work with. Those shelves are going to have to come down. Some of that wood's going to be reused, and some of it's not. But that's the first part of this project is cleaning up this space, getting this old shelving out of here, and you can see what I'm going to have to work with. So let's move forward. Okay, so we got that space emptied out there. That's going to give me about 8 foot by 12 foot. I'm going to be going for about a 30-degree lean from down here at the bottom to the ceiling out, and kind of, actually I'll be blocking part of that window, but that's not a big deal. So that's it. That's the space cleaned out, and let's go ahead and get to building. Okay, so the first part of my frame here is going to be this bottom bracket, and then I'm going to extend my beams again at about that 30-degree angle up there to the ceiling, somewhere between that second and third plaster mark there on the ceiling. So, but we got to start with this bottom bracket. I'm going to go ahead and get the straps for those supports put in. You can take a look at those here. Went ahead and put in 6 straps, and that's what my lumber part of my frame is going to sit in. Okay, on the ceiling end, I went ahead and put these support boards in across the rafters so that they are perpendicular to the rafters, and they'll offer more support when I tie the long boards of this frame into those, and you're going to see that here in just a second. And that's it. That's how that basic frame is going to be set up. You can see the lean I got there. Again, that's about 30 degrees. I'm going to cut this video a little short so that I can spend a little bit more time on the second part of this, where I actually start putting the boards on this frame. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and finish up the 3 more boards just like these 3 here. I'm not going to show you that, but I'm going to follow up. You can see how those are tied in there at the top with those straps. I'm going to follow up this next video. Stay tuned, and we're going to put the boards on this, the actual plywood sheeting. So please watch the next video.